Hi everyone and welcome to episode 2 of the Bonsai Beauties Kit. If we get into this box, we can have a look and see what's left in there. Doesn't sound like there's a lot. We have some identity sticks and the instructions that we had with it. Basically the instructions were to put all these into stratification, which they have been, so now it's time to bring them out of stratification and see how we got on. We did also get in this kit a propagator, which we put a load of seeds into, and that propagator is here, and we got pretty much nothing. We got some moss, some green growth, and one pine that came out of it. We've got the sticks in there, which I can barely read. I can see that we had larch there. We had, if I can get the names of what was in, that will have been, I don't know what. Yeah, all the sticks have blackened up and you can't really read anything there. So what we'll do is we'll add some more water into there and see if we can get something growing. I don't know what that is, but it's not very good. We'll put a bit of water into the propagator. And put that back in. As soon as the pine reaches the top, we'll take that out and we'll repot that on, and then the rest of the propagator I think we'll put into a fridge for stratification of what else was in there. So we'll do that going forward. Now we had 2 of each pot going into stratification, and I was trying to work out what was the best way to keep all these pots together and, you know, put them on a shelf and keep them going. And I went into the greenhouse and I stumbled across this little seedling pod, if you like. They've had some nodes in there that will have been planted on into the garden, and I tested it with one of the compostable pots and they go in there quite well. So because there's 5 lots of 2, we've got 10 slots, so we've got 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. We'll put them in pairs and we'll put a label on the front to say what they are, and then we know what was what as we go forward. So without further ado, we'll take the Pinus halepensis and we'll bob that into its slot and we'll give it a water. It does look as if we've got some germination there, but it was underneath the soil, and it'll be interesting to see whether it actually comes up, because obviously it's been in the fridge in the cold stratification, so there are some chances for that. So I will just do a label for it. And this is the Pinus halepensis. put the sticker on the front so that we can see it going forward. And we'll grab the next set of seeds, which are the juniperous, so the junipers, and we'll put those in. Give that a bit of a water. It will go straight through into the bottom anyway, and there is a bit of a gap, so we can't really overwater these. There's a little hole in the bottom of each of those, and it's sat above the hole, so it will just pass straight through. So that was the juniperous. We'll get that into place. We'll quickly grab the next seeds. These are the liquidumbar. Put them straight into the holders. It actually goes quite well, and it's perfect, almost perfect for the edges just to go around the side, so that's actually working out really well. Give it plenty of water, and we'll do another sticker to label them ones. So this is the liquidumbar, the sweet gum. So liquidumbar, sweet gum. Put a label on those. Get our next set of seeds. Push them into the holes. And these are the Circis Chinese red buds. So hopefully we'll get something out of this. Just push the soil down. Seem to have left me rakes and everything upstairs. So press those down, and then before I do that one, let's get the Chinese red bud. Put a label on for them. And get the last set of seeds, which is the larch. I seem to remember I was having fun trying to pronounce the names of this one. Leptolepis, Larix leptolepis. I seem to remember having fun not being able to pronounce that properly last time, but there you go. So we'll give it plenty of water again, really get that soil nice and damp. Another label. And we'll just put larch, keep it nice and simple. The instructions of the thing will tell us what they were. The Larix leptolepis. So they're the larch. We'll just let that soak in nicely. We've got the watered up propagator, and I will just put with the leftover sticker that I've got, Bonsai Beauties, and I'll stick this, if I can get the sticker off, I'll stick this across the back so we know what kit it's come from. So that was nice and quick and easy. There wasn't a lot really to do with this apart from get these that have been in stratification into the grow tent. We do have a seedling there. Whether that came up just recently or whether it's been in there for a bit, I don't really know, but we'll see whether we get any growth from that going forward. We'll put this box back away. And all that remains is for me to thank you once again for watching. I'm Scott Winard, and this is Let's Do Bonsai, and we'll see you on the next one.